Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. So let us discuss about manures and fertilizers. The deficiency of plant nutrients and organic matter in the soil is made up by adding manures and fertilizer to the soil. Both manures and fertilizers are major source of nutrients of plants. So they are used in the crop production. Manure. Advantages of manure. They replenish the general deficiency in the soil. The manure add organic matter to the soil which restores the soil. Texture for better reaction of water and for aeration of soil. Compost manure and natural fertilizers. They are bulky source of organic matter which supply nutrients in small quantities and organic matter in large quantities. Manures prepared by decomposition of animal excreta and plant waste. Manures include farmyard and manures, compost, green manures and vermicompost. Thus, organic manures help to improve the physical properties of soil, reduce soil erosion, increase the moisture holding capacity, and above all these advantages, they are low cost nutrients. What is vermicomposting? The degradation of organic waste through the consumption by the earthworms is called vermicomposting. An earthworm is physically an aerator, crusher, and mixer. Chemically, it is degrader and biologically a stimulator of decomposition. In India, following species of earthworms are used in vermicomposting: Digaster bolani, Dravida wilsi, Perinxi, and Isenia fidata. These are all different species. What about fertilizers? Fertilizers are source of plant nutrients manufactured commercially from chemicals. Fertilizers supply nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They are used for good vegetative growth. They are one of the major components for obtaining higher yields, especially in expensive farming. On the availability of nutrient from them, fertilizers are divided into four groups. Nitrogenous fertilizer, in which it includes urea, ammonium sulfate. Second is phosphoric fertilizer, dicalcium phosphate, triple phosphate, etc. Third is potassic fertilizer. It includes potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, and fourth one, complex fertilizer, nitrophosphate, ammonium phosphate, urea, etc. So a fertilizer does not add any humus to the soil. Manure is insoluble in water, and thus the nutrients present in manure is absorbed slowly by the plant. Being soluble in water, fertilizer is readily absorbed by the crop plant. A fertilizer is nutrient specific. It can specifically provide nutrient to the soil according to the crop need, whereas a manure is voluminous and bulky. Fertilizer is compact and concentrated, and manure is cheap, whereas a fertilizer is costly.